Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. I think now they're hot, you know. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe on my Google platform. Now I'll quickly give my disclaimer. See, and for some new people, we just look on probably the headline and formulate our opinion quickly about the channel or my opinions. See, let me tell you this. I'm one of the first youth, I'm probably still the only youth who come out and declare that the man them for allow the LGBTQ community. It's just chat them a chat, because none of them now carry out none of the wicked act them where them a claim say for happen to them. From day 1 years, I say that, about 2 years now. You know, see, from just start the thing, I say, every man, no one, when them a grow up, no one live down the road around so over, so in the class next door, or a garden in a school, every man, no one. You know, see, and no man never try do nothing to that, show no farmer oppression or nothing like that against a one. You see what I say? The next thing again, I man keep asking the question, where Rasta and everybody always declare Christian, Rasta everybody who read the Bible always I say Sodom and Gomorrah and God destroy them in a this and that and rate. So me I wonder, how can all of them God destroy? Because I see them here still. See? So like some of them slip through the crack, or some guy I go say now them God make mistake and make some of them get away, which it's impossible to me. Some of them to listen to them sort of argument. But anyway, I ask the question them still, so that's how them can think within themselves, ask them, re-ask themselves the question them. You know, see it. Now in a recent time, Mr. Sizzla come out and burn a plaque and all them sort of thing there, and him friend them and everybody give a sort of reason, including the dreadlocks mania, where them say an engineer. You know, see, because them feel like so since them their own Sizzla, them a Rasta. You know, see it? Enough of them don't know what them a do. Enough of them don't know what them a do. Them not stand for nothing. Them fall for every and anything. You know, see it? So there is no, it's like them a flip-flop from here to there. See? At the end of the day, I see him do a video where I say, no, the reason why I now use them videographies because I don't want a guy come lock down the channel. I try lessen that possibility as much as possible because the channel bigger than them. The channel that try teach and I try highlight and point out and create critical thinking. So I say this is what it's about. That's why Babylon don't like it. That's why YouTube don't like it. See? So this dreadlocks brother I know we're saying I'm a Sizzla engineer or I'm a young engineer or whatever, find himself more Sizzla. Enough of them in a Rasta for opportunity. Enough of them grow them here for the opportunity where it can provide. Because I'm still now declare them as Rasta, you know. No. See, enough of them grow them here for the opportunity where it can provide. See, and I balance this thing with a loud mouth and a platform with some keyboard where them can declare themselves and propagate for them principles and ways and attitude as what Rasta is. You know, see it, and a whole heap of people miscommunicate the thing like so well then from them guy do it so I saw it forgot and then look thing there, you know, see it. Anyway, the other day them give a speech I know enough I most I know already see where them a say the reasons them why Sizzla mash up the this and thing. Now, me call this damage control. You know, see, damage control them I do with them video now when them I release these days. A guy can pretty it up and go on independent and big and push out him just same way like everybody else are idiot because you are Rasta, so anything you say is righteous. Bandwagon is enough for them. Charlatan. Like where the headline keeps saying. Anyway, I'm gonna play the video. I want to big up Rick Storm, a film platform. I take the weight name from, the audio from. See? So you don't know, big up Rick Storm. Listen to Rick Storm. He's a youth where him not really, you know, him lay the stage, him set the stage for the narrative, but him not really give no opinion. Dangerous psychologist. Anyway, me could get tonight, but me not afraid of them, cause me not beg nothing for guy that want to deal with me, not deal with me, you know. You know see it? Me nah. That's a say it like how me see it. Me a ghetto youth. And the whole way I ghetto youth. So if some guy go on like say them is from a different hue or a different caste, or expect to be depicted or portrayed in another light, like say, wrong place. Anyway, listen to them yeah, flip-flop argument yeah. Some guy in a sound.
So it's because of certain reasons why this is Sizzla I do what him do. You know right? You see me? I even the ones where I agree with Foota hype and I say me I agree with Foota and them things. Nothing about us still. You see me? Foota have in point still. You see me? You know, say Rasta don't agree with certain things, but that have nothing to do with why. You know, we as the ones them just I say, you know, when people try water down your thing or try make your thing look a certain way, you have all right to be upset. You see me? So
I'm not gonna further with it. You know why me and Sizzla song are playing in the background, and even just that alone could have fuck up that video and have to do it over. See, but to look check out Rick Storm on the year that brother yeah, I try flip-flop around the thing and I use some psychology for protect them image, still declare themselves or appear to be the most righteous Rastafari group, yet still I protect the whatever. I mean, a withdraw, a backtrack, pan them position, them original position. You know see it? Cause me show me Sizzla there when he must say the reason why them do this and do this is because certain people, no, Rasta no align with certain people and thing like that. Me definitely hear them say that. And Sizzla was right there when the whole thing happened. And one of the reason was that Sizzla name not big enough. But the thing never hear nobody as a Sizzla name not spell good. And the way it spell, like it was just Miguel Collins alone. Khaled put on the thing while Sizzla name Miguel Orlando Khaled. Me not know very much how much effect that to the have on Sizzla getting them royalty. Even so, yeah, if that's the case, so them guy go like black people or Jamaican, them one of Jamaican and them supposed to use Rasta platform and I teach smarts and sensibility, you know. Them same man, them a come back and a scam and a con you know. A pretty up talk and a go and ask some man to forget licking on the face, man, on the mouth. You know see it? Come back and make them talk you like everybody else an idiot. Cause what you know? Legality there, you know. Sizzla is a well-established artist. Sizzla voice can't hide. You know see it? If him name I coulda Rizzla them right up there. Him still I go get him in these day and age of Rasta, even if Khaled never put him name on the thing and give him no royalty, if Khaled now have a contract for sure. So Sizzla sign where all I'm rights to the song to him, Khaled. There is no way Khaled can get away with that. You know, see it, if you don't mind, chap, Khaled could have ended up having pay Sizzla more than where the music could have did pay Sizzla in the first place. Khaled had an idiot. You know, see it, Khaled not so stupid. Even though he might exploit them and I use them. Enough people are say, oh, him come back and him and give them a platform. Give who a platform? Eh? What's in it for Khaled and that's enough to look on? How much more in it for Khaled? You know, see it? All him say is DJ Khaled. And everybody say, oh, him a rapper. See it? When you look on it, all of them man, yes. Give him a strength. See it? No, the whole of them a struggle. And I mean with talent or with money. Them a struggle with exposure. See, you have a bigger platform because no matter where them the reggae music sell, or reggae music still a sell. You know, see, you have a bigger platform than them. See, how come you don't look on the man and say, yo, free agent signing, something like that way. Wanna give me what you want if you don't feel like you give me something. You know see, but me I'll sell it for my lane, sell it for my platform. Go on the back of bus, even one time, one album, 401, the 301 that cause only the dead for me when me did that on my face. See? Give me free album, give me free dubs and them thing there. Come on, me show them come perform and give me a strength and all of them thing there. You see, it's not the gift that counts, you know, it's the thought that counts. You know, see, you could go buy a woman a £10,000 diamond ring and give it to her and she not appreciate it as much as she have nothing because she look on it and I say, when she did that down on the ground, she broke for a piece of bread with you half and give you half so that you can eat, give you somewhere warm where you can sleep. And then now you can buy 10, 30 mansion. Yeah? And you are come tell her, say, pay a month rent. So I pay a month rent for you, so that you can stay warm. You keep me warm for 5 nights. So I pay a month rent for you, so that you can stay warm and pay gas and electricity bill. It's the thought. It's the thought that counts. That don't make sense. Because at the end of the day, you can do far better to alleviate a woman's stress so that she don't have to wake up 10 days after, 30 days after, a month after, a while, and still find herself back in the same space, knowing say big rich DJ Khaled up there so what she did help at one point. When Khaled could have just, Khaled lunch money could have buy her a flat. But she not fear struggle again. You don't see it? Or start her off with a mortgage, where rather than she have to pay rent, the money where she have to pay rent, she goes up and start using pay the mortgage because that's how it going in the business world. That's how it going in the real estate world. You know, see it at them way they look on things. The guy now come pretty up talk or come round and go on like say, well then, you know, him still a hustler and he have a bigger food than the man them. Him still see them as a means of income. You know, see it. I people for start put value upon themselves and value upon them things and stop going like say some light-skinned people or some straight-hair people. Always I do something for where them always have the best interest at art and all them fuck there. And I saw this thing at work, Rasta. You know, see it? And them people will always come and undervalue us because of this mentality. You know, see them feel like, just like say, over here, you know, when a guy goes to book and stamp a Jamaica flag pan something, it's sell already. Half of the advertising potential, you know, have to put in it. You know, see it? Because it's already for it on the shelf, it just start like it a smile to people and people just smile back feet and start grab it off. You know, see it? It's the same thing with us, but we are look on them so. Like so well then, and when people see we amongst them, we becomes viable. You know, we not put a value upon ourselves, Rasta. Right now, in Britain, the people them I put vodka in the rum buckle them. The people them I make them own a magnum and a buckle it, boy, and I sell it. And Jamaica company now get none. Trading standard no know about them something here. Jamaica now a representative and a group. We say, yo, this is what I want and take down some boy and them scamming business. You know, see it? Because we feel like say everybody better than we. From them I do it, you know what? Them entitled to do it. We can't do nothing, we can't say nothing. And all them stupid attitude there and mentality there. And some man come talk about them and Rasta we smart. Anybody can go dreadlocks on them and say anything with them want to say. Capitalize off of the popularity. You know, see it? And the popularity, that's Rasta and something where Rasta sacrifice. You know, see it? Rasta sacrifice. Rasta just want to know, say, yeah, them head above the water. You know, see it? And them a dog paddle and I draw the people behind them. And I ensure, say, you know, if you be Rasta neither, you know. Rasta duty to defend the essence of black culture, black people, Rasta. Our duty that is not about getting rich and just only business with people with dreadlocks on them head and all them fucking there. That's why we not going nowhere. That's why the thing stagnated. Because some boy uneducated and don't know the principle and at this start the whole process. Outside people where even know it. Or have a certain expectation because, like I said, the principle is well established. Only for elders, the outside. Only for other races, other nations, the outside of Rastafari. We understand the trad. And I observe the thing. And I see what some people and some boy I do. And I say, wait, at this a Rasta, while them never... Furthermore, people them know better. Them know better than for prescribe them boy as Rasta. Because at the end of the day, if you not fit the trad, if you not fit, if you not compliment the cause Rasta, he is a charlatan. You know, see it? Yeah. You cannot make your belly drive you, and because of your belly, your need, your wants, you compromise certain principles. No, and that's how the thing go. You know, see it? Jump on certain bandwagon and all them things and a shout out, bun batty boy, bun sodomite, when the whole blood clot black race has struggle and need that energy, need that attention, that energy and focus, so you put back other group and psychologically promote them. You know, see it? You never realize, while if you push your brother and sister them and things like that, so that's the thing can draw some attention to all of the struggles and all of them sort of thing there. And get some people to, when no say, yeah, them can assist and help out. You know, see it? Now, I see some man a flip-flop and a go around and a talk about this and that and that. Wanna backtrack for? Wanna stand for? No, this, like me I say, no, this is not in defense of the LGBTQ community. Nor am I condemning them or denounce or create a form of aspersion upon them. You know, see, it's some guy we are run with certain narrative all of a sudden, and then them attitude and action change psychologically, and then they come go on like, say, well then, you know, we're not dealing. Say we're not dealing. Make we hear we're not dealing. What? Which guy will come choke on or stop on the food? On the food will get even more. You know, see it? We take a stack rasta right now. We not sing, we not collaborate with members of the community. You know, see it? So even right now, if someone get invited to all one of the pageantry or one of the party them or something like that to come perform, why not go? You know, see it? Most likely the people want a reggae genre to play, and them already have a member of the community we sing reggae music with some of the tallest reggae artists, them Buju Banton, Capleton, Sizzla, you know, Bounty Killer. Yeah, I mean, the recording is there. Why not go perform it? You know, see, and I feel like some guy know what them I do. Because at the end of the day, this will enable them visa potential. The potential for them get back them visa. This will better enable it. So I can understand it from that standpoint. But the hypocrisy, Rasta, the hypocrisy, I cannot understand. You know, see it? Me not see, you know, what this is about. You know, see it? Like I say, I don't want a guy come over here, come twist my argument to him, nature, fame, expectation, and benefit. You know, see it? Go watch most of my video them, when we see them, not most of them, but when you can, yeah, I want to see in effect what I man think and what I man believe. Some man feel love some people and focus on the better growth and development of black people, Rasta. The LGBTQ community use Bob Marley music, get up, stand up as motivational music for go out there and march and triumph for them rights. You know, see it and right now, them in a better standing than we. Them was below grade just like how people look upon we at one point, Rasta. You know, see it, and them go out, step out, organize themselves and defend them rights that we expect from the purveyors of our art form. Inspire this energy, this wavelength amongst I and I people so that we can step out and, you know, feel proud but we step out and feel bold as human beings because we in existence. You know, see, but we don't have that as a pride. Community pride, we don't have that. And just individual pride where we are trying to act like say certain things will happen to you can't happen to me. Why the same thing over here so happen to me, nobody don't know what happen to me, can keep a secret more than you don't know say that me I suffer. I suffer that already. And you see, I'm always suffer something and keep it to myself. Don't share it with the community. So that's the community, the same stupidity that befall other members of the community. It's like we happily sit down in ourselves and watch and wait like a predator for somebody else falling in the same hole where we fall in a rasta. And it's very selfish. And it a cause us to fragment. You know, see it? I would have really appreciate love if the man them start focus on black movement, black growth and development, and stop back selfish and a jump and soundbite and a ball out bun this, bun that, when really and truly, when it touch in the pocket, on a recede and jump back and step back on the world. You don't have no, you know, stand, you know, still not stand for anything. You know, see it? It's what cause on the music for sale. It's what can promote few no individual pocket. Black struggle now promote on the pocket. No. If you don't call for it, you know, on a born an oppressor and born certain supremacist idea and mentality and thing like that, it will damage on the income from early out, you know that. See, so you don't bother with that. See, on the jump on a little group where where most people we hate pan to one who find support within certain society segment of every society. You know, find support and get sales and recognition and probably performance opportunity. You know, see it? And that's the thing there. You know, see it? The man them lame. You know, if you come out and someone and deal it and stand up for something, you can't flip-flop. Today one is about this and then tomorrow one is about that. And on the other hand, when it comes to the money part of the whole thing, anything goes. You know, see it? As long as a profit I make. You can't do that, man, and come declare someone a Rastafari and someone a lead people. Wanna lead people. Go. What is for the direction? What the plan, Rasta? What the plan? You know, see it? What the plan? Bring back the seal them and stop on a bully bad boy business pan the all Rasta people them down there. We're more firm in a them position than Uno. Is bully and threats on use for the people and maintain a little dirt just for a profit, for seek popularity, create popularity. You know, see it? That's why I don't do them thing there. I want to hold on there. I want to think Rastafari asleep. Anyway, we are watching the development and we are watching some boy growth. Destruction, downfall, and judgment same way.